Hey guys, Krystal here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you have been here for a while. So today we're gonna go ahead and do a video. This is gonna be like a review video. I haven't done a review in a minute, but I wanted to go ahead and do a review on this specific brand, this specific company, because I have actually been interested in this in a hot minute. And this is the Smile Bright review. So basically, guys, I'm pretty sure you have seen this, but in case you haven't, I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. It's just basically your whitening kit, and what you do, it's a little bit different because you have your own specific customizable trays that you can go ahead and pop in. You can clean them out, and what I do is I just put them in Listerine and put them in here once I'm done. You can definitely reuse them, and I'm going to go ahead and tell you really quick how it is that I used it. I have clips for you guys and everything like that, and also a giveaway is included, of course, at the end of the video if you want to go ahead and stay tuned so you can enter that. So let's go ahead and just get started with this. So basically what this is a little kit that they send you, and they send you little, like a whole entire, package. They have like little molding clays and stuff like that, and they also send you a bunch of little whitening gels and desensitizing gels, and these are really key. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to mold the clay together. You're going to get the blue and the white molding clay, and you're going to start twisting it up. This is very important, guys. Make sure that you are twisting it as it says to do in the little booklet. So make sure that you are twisting it up and not folding it, not kneading it. You're twisting it, and that will help the clay or the mold to activate properly. When I did it the first time, I kind of messed it up because I was kneading it rather than twisting it and folding it properly. So make sure that you do that. And then what you're going to want to do is put that molding clay inside of the trays that they provide you and press down on them firmly. Do not bite, and leave it there for about 3 minutes. So you want to make sure that you are holding it for about 3 minutes, or until you feel like it is sturdy enough to remove. When you remove, take it out gently. If it won't come out very easily whenever you're trying to take it down, it is not ready. Leave it there until it is ready to move down, because if you start wiggling it, or if you just kind of yank it out, you can definitely ruin the mold of your tray, and your trays will not fit properly. So just make sure to be very careful with this, because you want it to be as accurate to your teeth as possible. When you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and put it inside the little pink envelope that they gave you with the little card. Put it in there, mail it off, and it took about a week to a week and a half to receive my trays. And honestly, like, that's pretty fast in my opinion. So whenever you get your little trays back in, you're going to want to obviously go ahead and start with washing. You want to make sure that your teeth are completely clean, and brush your teeth with just a toothbrush and water. Don't use any toothpaste, don't use any Listerine. Get the whitening gel, and you're going to want to apply it. Apply a thin layer, and I recommend putting it towards the top of your teeth imprint, so whenever you actually place it in, it kind of smudges and smears evenly, rather than smearing down to your gum, and then you're going to eat all that junk and you don't want to taste it. Leave it in for as much as you want. Like I had mentioned before, I left mine for various times, and of course the longer that you leave it in, the whiter that your teeth are going to be. After you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and just wipe off any excess product that you have. Rinse it out with water. Just kind of remove it. Do not use another toothbrush or anything like that. Just rinse out your mouth and get all that whitening gel off. Then you're going to go in with the desensitizing gel. This is basically just vitamins for your teeth, and you want those vitamins because it will help your enamel on your teeth, and they will basically, enamel is like key. You need enamel on your teeth to have healthy teeth. Okay, it recommends to leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, but in all honesty, I've left mine on for 30 minutes, and I feel like that step definitely helps with this whole entire whitening process. And guys, let me just say that this whitening kit is the best whitening kit I have ever tried in my entire life. They give you, like I said, a bunch of these right here, and what you want to do is you want to use the whitening one first. You put it in, and you can definitely leave it in for as much as you want. I did it today. I only left it in for 30 minutes, but on any other day I would leave it in for an hour to an hour and a half, and then I would do the desensitizing for about 30 minutes. After I use that, guys, my teeth felt so much better. This right here definitely does help, so do not skip this step, okay? So the good thing about this is that it really does last. This entire kit really does last. It says one syringe is about 3 to 4 uses, and I would definitely say that each syringe lasted me 4 uses, and it still has a little bit in there, so I can probably make it to 5. Since I did have sensitive teeth, I was a little bit skeptical, but once I used it, I was shocked. Like, I was shocked. I posted it on Snapchat and everything, so you guys, if you have been following me on my social media, you would definitely have seen my progress through this. So I recommend trying it. I recommend using it, and I highly recommend this. So if you want to try it out for yourself, definitely go into the description box and check it out. There's a coupon code for you there. It's Krystalscouture15. You can save 15%. So yes, let's go ahead and talk about the giveaway, guys. So they were kind enough to send me an extra kit for one of you guys. All you have to do is be subscribed to my channel, and then click the little link in the description box. Just click that link, fill out the survey, and send it off, and they will go ahead and pick the winner. So please check out the description box so that you can see all the details on how to enter the giveaway and how you can go ahead and win one of these kits. Or if you don't want to wait and you just want to go ahead and try it out yourself, please be sure to use the coupon code so that you can go ahead and save money. Or you don't even have to use the coupon code if you don't want to. It's completely up to you, but I do have everything in the description box for you guys to go ahead and check out, so please do so. That is it, guys. If you have any questions for me, please leave them down in the comments below. You know I get back to you guys as fast as I can. If you have any recommendations, anything like that, leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the little bell button so you can get notified of all of my videos, and give this video a thumbs up. It really does help. So with that being said, remember that I love you all, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Check out my smile.